Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another print-on-demand website where you can sell your art and designs, and it's another quite secret website. Not many people use it, but maybe you have heard about it. So let's get straight with that website, which is that website and how you can utilize it to sell your art and designs. And before going to the good part, consider clicking on the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And also if you want the free stuffs for setting up your success in the online space, for making money by the print on demand from the KDP, or even if you want to make money online as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur, then I have the free guides, the free graphics and the KDP interiors. Everything is in the description box below. You can download these freebies and you can use them. Now, before going into the website, I really want to talk about, thank you so much guys for all of you who watched my yesterday's video and who commented on my video. I'm really grateful for that. I got some feedback about my videos. One was that my accent, that people don't really understand my accent, and apart from that, another point is that I speak so fast in my videos that people living in the countries where the second language is the English, they are unable to understand me because I am speaking so fast. So guys, I would try to speak slowly, but to be frank, I'm a person who speaks fast, so that's why you see that I speak fast in my videos as well. But I would try to speak slowly. I would try. And regarding my accent, I can't change my accent guys because I speak 3 to 4 different languages. I speak Spanish, Portuguese, and a little bit of the French as well. So I speak more than two languages. So sometimes my linguistic tongue movements like just get confused because I speak different languages and different accents and all. So I'll try to slow down my videos. I will try to speak slowly for you guys so that you can understand me. But regarding my accent guys, I couldn't change much more about my accent because I already speak 2 to 3 languages and maybe 4 languages because I understand a little bit of the French, but I talk in Spanish, in Portuguese, and so at times my linguistic tongue movements just get slipped out because of the speaking in various different languages. And yeah guys, so I will try to make my videos much more better for you so that you can easily consume my video, and after watching my videos you can get the junk part of information on which I'm giving in the video. So we'll try to slow down and we'll try to work on my audio skills. And also some of them said that I speak at low volume. I'll try to speak at the high volume. I'm already using a microphone, but guys, again, it's my accent issue, so I think that I will try to speak slowly, a little bit slowly, not too fast, so that you can keep up with my videos. So let me know if this new format of my video of me speaking slowly is really helpful to you or not. Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about today's website that I want to talk about. Selling your own print-on-demand design is the Displate. Now many of you have heard about the Displate, or maybe not, but we're just going to cover about what you can sell on the Displate, how you can sell on the Displate, how you're going to get paid out, and various different details regarding the Displate. Because recently, a few days back only, I started on the Displate as well. I just uploaded 3 to 4 artworks up till right now, and I'm still new to that platform. I'm still learning from it. Because I opened my shop, I guess last week only on the Displate. So I'm still new, I'm still learning, but I'm going to talk about a few basics about the Displate and how you can sell the posters, the metal art prints and the metal posters onto the Displate. So these are some products that you can sell on the poster, you can sell on the Displate. It's an awesome website. You just need to enter your email address and password and sign in onto the Displate. And then you can open up your shop. You don't need to pay anything to get started on the Displate. It's 100% free platform. And also you're gonna get the organic sales on the Displate if you're uploading the artwork which is more demand on the platform. But guys, since I'm also still new to the platform, I'm still learning, so I'm going to talk more about in the later upcoming videos about the Displate and how you can make money on them. But this is just the basic video for those of you guys who don't know about the Displate and how you can utilize it. So it's 100% free to join. You don't need to pay for anything. Now when you going to join the Displate, if you're sharing your links, then you're going to get 50% total commission of each sale. So if you're sharing your art links, or you're sharing your shop, and someone click on that link and purchases your stuff, then you're going to get 50% commission. Apart from that, print your own artwork for 50% less and give them to your friends or sell them offline. So if you want to make the prints of your artwork or your design, then you can very well order it from the Displate. They have a good quality. The quality is awesome, guys. Is much better than other printed event platforms. You can complete your shop. You can upload your avatar, your cover image, and write your artist bio, what it is all about. You can also add your links to your website. Another thing to consider over here, guys, is about uploading the artwork, about the size, about the dimension, which is really important. After you are signing up onto the Displate, you have opened up the shop. Now you need to upload your art or your design. So you need of the file size should be 4060 into 2900 pixels. So ideally, if you are taking as the Redbubble dimension, which I tend to take most often, is the 5000 by 5000 pixels, or at times 6000 by 6000 pixels. That file size won't work in the Displate. You need to have a separate file size of your artwork, of your designs. That is the 4060 into 2900 pixels. Then the resolution should be at 300 dpi, and it should be as the RGB as the color. So this should be taken into consideration while uploading an artwork. If you're uploading an artwork in other dimension, then Displate won't accept that, and you won't be able to upload your art. So even if you are using a Photoshop or you are using any designing tool, just have this dimension in your designing tool so that you can upload your art onto the Displate. So that is the first thing. The second thing is that when you're uploading your artwork, you are allowed to set the title, the description, the tags, and also you are allowed to have collections. Like they have the different kinds of categories on their platform. You can select them very well according to your artwork, and then can upload your artwork. And once they approve or once they verify your artwork, then your artwork will be live on the Displate. So this is all regarding the signing up onto the platform, and about the dimensions of the artwork, and about getting the verification. Submission is that within 30 days of sharing the link, you may earn 41% commission of the net price of your artwork minus taxes and fees. So if you're sharing the link within 40 days of you uploading the artwork, then you are getting the 41% commission, which is quite awesome, guys. Really awesome. The commission is awesome. As for the limited edition Displate sold via share and earn, the commission is 10% minus taxes and fees. So they have the different kinds of commission rates, guys. You can very well go and check on their website and can see how you can make money by that. Now we're gonna straightforward move into how you're gonna get. So guys, you're gonna get paid by the Displate in the form of the PayPal. So you can connect your PayPal and you're gonna get paid by the PayPal. So this is all about the Displate. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video, guys. And are you selling onto the Displate? Since I'm new, I'm gonna make more such videos talking about the Displate. Once I'm getting more information about the Displate, what kind of artwork you can upload and what you can expect from the Displate and how much you can make. I'm gonna make more such videos in the future upcoming videos. So subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care.